Google Pixel 3 and OnePlus 6T news could worry Samsung. Google Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T are two of the best Android phones on the market, and fresh news about both could worry Samsung. Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T were both unveiled in October last year and each boast a swathe of features that make them appealing. The OnePlus 6T is the cheaper of the two handsets, starting at just £529, and is certainly one of the best value smartphones you can get your hands on. The Chinese tech giant's device offers rapid performance, great software, and a gorgeous design for users. Pixel 3 meanwhile is certainly positioned as a more premium device thanks to its higher starting price of £739. The Google handset also offers swift performance but is more notable for its single 12.2 megapixel rear camera that is certainly one of the best around. Pixel 3's photography offering takes advantage of the tech giant's clever machine learning technologies to produce laudable snaps. Both the Pixel 3 and OnePlus 6T have proved to be popular with Android fans. But it appears a notable proportion of users that have purchased either have come from a Samsung device, possibly giving the South Korean tech giant reason to worry. Research firm Counterpoint recently published a report claiming 51% of Android fans that purchased a Pixel 3 during the fourth quarter of 2018 came from a Samsung handset. In particular, it was noted 31% of these customers came from a Galaxy S7. Moreover, Counterpoint also declared 18% of those that purchased a Pixel 3 in the same period had come from Apple hardware. Samsung customers were also prevalent in the statistics provided for the OnePlus 6T. The research firm stated 37% of those that purchased the Chinese device had done so from Samsung hardware. Additionally, it was said 16% of customers had come from an Apple device. Elaborating on the report, Jeff Fieldhack, research director at Counterpoint Research, said, "Both the Pixel and 6T devices show that there is room to innovate in the market. While Samsung and Apple are dwarfing others in size, marketing spends, and consumer perception, there are pockets of users that are still interested in alternatives.